Hi, welcome to my luxury beauty channel, Sharvonique Renee. I'm Renee and I appreciate that you're here. This is the Gucci Beauty Floral Eyeshadow Palette that I will be swatching for you today. I remember it released, I think, in October, and I had the opportunity to purchase it then, but I was saving up money for holiday shopping, so I wasn't able to purchase it at that time. It seemed like that it sold out pretty quickly, and I was worried that I wouldn't be able to get it, but I found it in stock and I just had to pick it up. This is a gorgeous looking palette. It's very weighted and it has like a slick, smooth coating. It comes in this velvet pouch, similar to the bronzer and the face powder pouches. And okay, this is what happens when you do stuff live. Wow. Well, we're going to continue with the swatches anyway. Let's see. Remove the plastic covering. Take a closer look. I'm going to take a moment to clean this up a little bit before we proceed. All right, the show must go on. I've cleaned it up to make it easier for swatching. The palette costs $149 and I ordered mine from Sephora, so I don't anticipate any issues with having the broken eyeshadow resolved. Let's get started with the swatches. There are 7 matte shades, 3 metallic, and 2 satin in this palette. It feels very soft and silky. But it's not as intense as I was expecting it to be. Okay. That's a pretty color. I wasn't able to find a listing of the shade names on the box, but they are listed on the Gucci.com website. Okay, I'm trying to be careful with this one. All right. That's a pretty color. Now these shadows all feel very soft, finely milled. The colors aren't as intense. Whoa. I was not expecting that type of saturation on the white color. I would probably expect that one to be more patchy. Interesting to me that the lighter colors seem to be swatching better, or maybe it's because they're being swatched on my deeper skin tone, so it's showing up better. I don't know. Wow. That's a nice nude matte. I like this shade too. Near the end. All right, all of the colors. I'm trying to get my entire arm in camera. So this is what the Gucci Floral Palette looks like on deeper skin. After swatching, I would say that these three shades are the three metallic. These two are the two satin finishes, and all the other shades are matte. As I mentioned before, this palette is $149. So in my mind, it's almost like I see this is like one palette, this is two, and this is the third. So if you say $50, you know, a quad, that's kind of how my brain is processing the pricing. And that's probably also how I will play with the color combinations for eyeshadow looks. Also, this is supposed to be refillable. So this piece, I gotta clean up the inside. This piece is supposed to be replaceable at a later point. But I'll be honest, I'm still waiting for the refills to come out for the Gucci bronzer and face powder. So I don't know what the timeline is for releasing the refills, or if they're going to be the same or different colors. I'm not sure. Overall, I think the packaging of the palette is absolutely beautiful. The price point doesn't bother me for how, like I said, in my mind, I'm treating it like three different palettes combined. The actual eyeshadows, now, I do think it's a nice variety of colors. I am concerned about how some of them swatched. Honestly, this felt like a struggle swatch session to me. So I'm not sure how they're going to work an actual application on the eye, but presentation and all of that is wonderful. So those are my first impressions of the Gucci Floral Eyeshadow Palette. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you know when a new video uploads. Let me know your thoughts about this palette. Do you already own it? Have you used it? What do you think of the application? I am really curious to know your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.